know you can't really see me, but welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to turn this light off because I think there's a police behind me. You guys, I'm at Lily's house right now and we're getting ready. The new Guitar Hotel that's in Fort Lauderdale. We might get seafood. I want seafood. So we might get seafood or we might get finger licking. Guys, so we got here. It was sparkling like a minute ago, but it looks amazing. Crazy. They have a light show that they do at 6 and 11. It's the coolest thing. Let's not say nothing. Look, see, because it takes forever to get it takes forever to wait on the elevator, so everyone is taking the stairs. I wasn't expecting it to be this. Oh, we're at the first floor. Oh, look how cute. Well, the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh.
Open up, you OPN. If you won't leave me in, we should be close and friends. If you OPN, engagement is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in.
Hey guys, so we're at the fair. Oh, we look good in this lighting. Come here. Yahida. We should play. So we're at the fair right now. This looks cool.
Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, you don't want to? That's you. This is all right. No money, no prize. I want to see how you feel first. Inside.
Okay. Go, Demir. Oh, almost. Almost. These, look at how many fish. Oh, there aren't any fish in it. Okay. I thought there was fish in it. So I guess once you like win it, you pick the fish from there and you get it.
Get something to eat. You ready, baby?
All right. This lighting is bomb.
Just push it. Just push it in one time. Yeah, just push it. Just time.
Oh.
Try to
There's
focus.
another way you can shoot it if that's not working for you.
Focus.
Oh,
Focus.
okay.
Focus. Oh, wow.
Here's
Fried Snickers.
fried. Oh yeah, Yahida learned how to make fried Oreos, and she was like,
Yeah, every day she made fried Oreos. Okay, what do you guys? Oh, it's so good. Smelling like this.
yeah. Y'all, look at the sausage my mom just got. This thing is huge.
Oh, do you guys have what drink?
This is huge.
All I have right now
It
is
looks
Coke,
so
Sprite, or vodka.
good. What would you rate it?
A 10.
It looks so good.
It's so good.
I just took a bite of mine. The funnel cakes. Kind of.
How we doing, yo?
Hi.
You want a funnel cake?
Yes.
Thank
I got my funnel cake. Thank you. Come on, you got the drink? Who got the drink? Oh, you can't hold the drink. Thank you. All right. Ah, the drink. It's so good. You got a headache? Did you like it? Aww. We got a fish.
What we gonna name it?
Is it a boy or a girl? It's whatever you want it to be. I did not get the fin spread part. I don't know.
You didn't get Fred away, did you?
Okay, his name is gonna be Fred now. Oh,
Go put him in the refrigerator.
No, don't put him in the refrigerator.
Put him in the refrigerator.
Why would you put him in the refrigerator?
Because.
No.
What?
He was supposed to be in the